What's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is George. This is the Model Railroad Show, and today I'm giving something away. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. Like I said, I'm giving something away to another YouTuber actually, and a little story behind it. So a while back, I had Whistle Stop Models. I'll throw a link to that video up above here. Send me some 3D prints to take a look at. I did a little video going over what those prints are. I have a video coming up of my Milford Lumber and Coal Dealer where I used a lot of the prints that I received in that. So that video is coming. So yeah, a while back, Whistle Stop Models sent me some 3D prints to check out. And I used a bunch of them back on my Milford Coal and Lumber. And that video is coming up soon. A ton of stuff. Part of what they sent, and I'm using part of this on that scene behind me, was Sam's Stone. It's called Sam's Stone Dealer. And it's like a stone aggregate dealer. It comes with one of these little 3-bin storage, like coal, whatever they put in there, sand, gravel. Comes with a 3-bin, comes with a 2-bin. It comes with this little office. Inside the office, which I don't have broken apart yet, is a porta potty, which is very cool. So pretty neat thing. He didn't really have to include that in there, but I thought that was pretty cool. And also comes a Bobcat. So my layout, all of this stuff fits in my layout, except the Bobcat. And I'm like, what do I do? Like, it's just a cool print. I mean, it's a really well done print. Super tiny, obviously, and not painted. But hey, we're modelers. That's what we do. We paint small stuff, especially in N scale. So I'm like, what can I do with said Bobcat? So there's a channel that I watch called the Allegheny and Northern in N scale. And Carlo is the guy's name. So I shot him an email. And I was like, Carlo, I have a Bobcat. I have no use for it. I've painted it up. It looks really cool. Can I send it to you? And he was like, absolutely, man. So probably as you're seeing this video, you're going to go over to Allegheny Northern. He's going to have a video of what he does with it. I have this unweathered, super, super cool Bobcat. I got the back painted orange. I even painted a little brown leather seat in there. So it's really cool. Like I said, I didn't weather it. I will let him do that, or maybe he can make it new from the assembly line. We'll see what he does with this. But again, just to talk about 3D printing real quick, Whistle Stop, they've got some great prints. I met those guys up at Amherst at the train show. Really cool dudes. And they have a bunch of stuff out there, not only in N, but in HO. Really cool stuff. If you don't have a 3D printer, they are a great resource. And obviously I have one, and they're still a great resource because they just have some cool prints and stuff with great detail that makes it easy to print. If you look on this little office, and I'll show you here a little close up, the utility box and all that, it's like nice and raised. And that little bit of detail is something that you're not going to have to add on to the building. And you could just get a little bit of contrast paint on there, like a little bit of gray paint. And it's going to look really cool when it's done. The windows have trim around them. It's, some thought went into this. And even this Bobcat, the tires have tread. They had the raised bit in the back where I was able to get that painted orange. There's an exhaust pipe just like the Bobcat. It's got the crossbar in there. It's very cool. The hubcap detail is in there, and I got that painted orange. For the most part, that was kind of tough. And getting this engine cover in the back was kind of tough because there's no masking involved, and it's just a small model, man. So, but again, I think it came out really good. I think with Carlo's layout, it's not, I mean, lots of people have modern layouts, but this guy has a love for equipment, and he is 3D printing some of his own equipment. I mean, there's a lot of equipment on his layout. It's pretty cool. A lot of cool MOW equipment too. But I think this Bobcat will fit right in. Carlo, hope you like it. And yeah, short video today, but Thanks for watching. I'm George. This is the Model Railroad Show. Give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so that you know when I upload new videos. And I will catch you in the next one. All right, later.